In this tutorial, I'll show you how to set Google Chrome as your default browser in Windows 11. Making Chrome your default ensures that every link you click, whether from apps, emails, or files, opens directly in Chrome instead of another browser. To begin, open your Windows settings. You can do this by clicking the Start menu and selecting Settings, or by typing Settings into the search bar. Once Settings is open, look at the left side of the window and click on Apps. Inside the Apps section, choose Default Apps. This area controls which programs Windows uses for opening different file types and web links. Scroll through the list of applications until you find Google Chrome, then click on it. You'll now see a long list of file types and link types such as .htm, .html, .pdf, and HTTP or HTTPS links. Each of these can be assigned to a specific program. At the top of this page, you should see a button labeled Set Default. Click this button, and Windows will automatically assign Chrome as the default app for all supported web-related file types and link types. This is the quickest way to make sure Chrome handles everything related to browsing. If you prefer, you can also manually set each file type by clicking on it and selecting Chrome from the list of available applications. This gives you more control if you want Chrome to open only certain formats and leave others to different apps. After setting Chrome as the default, anytime you open a link from your email, documents, or other programs, it will automatically open in Chrome. This helps keep your browsing consistent and avoid switching between multiple browsers. And that's it, you've successfully made Google Chrome your default browser in Windows 11. If this tutorial helped you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more clear and simple Windows guides. Thanks for watching.